Today we have a new lesson about the English-speaking countries. Countries in which English is the official language. What is a country? Morocco is a country. Lebanon is a country too. We say Morocco and Lebanon are Arabic-speaking countries. بلدان الناطقة بالعربية. What are the English-speaking countries? We know that there are more than 40 countries where English is the official language, like India, Canada, USA, Great Britain, Australia, New Zealand, but we will see just a few of them. The first country is the USA, the United States of America, the United States of America. Let's take a look at the globe. This is where the USA is situated. It is in the north of America. The north of America. If you look at the map of the USA, you can see that it is composed of many states like New York, Texas, Colombia. We notice that Washington, D.C. is the capital city. Washington, D.C. In the USA, we find the Statue of Liberty. The second country is Great Britain, which is in Europe. It includes England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. You can see it clearly in this map, but we will talk about just England. England, which includes many cities like Liverpool, Manchester, London, which is the capital city. England is known with many things, especially the Big Ben. The third country is Australia. Australia, which is not only a country but also a continent. It has many cities like Sydney, Adelaide, and Canberra, which is the capital city. And of course, when we talk about Australia, we think about the kangaroo. Australia is known for the National Theatre, also called the Sydney Opera House. Now we have seen that the USA is in America, England is in Europe, and Australia is in Australia. So they are very far away from each other. But the common point between all of these countries is the language, English. They all speak English.